Hello and welcome back, dear subscriber. Today in this video, I am going to solve the question given in the final exam of Purvanchal University in 2020 paper, and I will discuss the problem in detail, and then after I will solve this problem for you and write the code. And even this tutorial code will be provided on Deep Code Guru website. So the link will be provided under the video description, and I have also solved a lots of Purvanchal University final exam paper questions. So please check it out the playlist, and if you have any question then please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. I will pick the question and solve for you and provide the solution. So now let's get started with the problem statement. The problem statement is Malina not, sorry, let me correct it. Melina, sorry, Melina. Okay. So Melina basic salary is input through the keyboard. So the input will be given through the keyboard like what will be the basic salary. The next person is her dearness allowances is 40% of her basic salary. So dearness allowances is DA is 40% of basic salary, and house rent allowances is 20% of basic salary. So HRA is 20% of basic salary. And then after a tax of 15% is imposed to the total amount exceed 70,000. So at the salary, if the salary will exceed 70,000, then 15% tax will be imposed to the extra salary. Okay. For that, we have to write the program and calculate how much salary Melina will receive. Okay. So now let's get started with the numerical portion. So, and then after I will write code. So like basic salary means BS equal to, let considered 50,000. Okay. So she is going to get dearness allowances, that is 40%. So 40% of 50,000 is 20,000, and then after she is going to get HRA, house rent allowances. So this is 20%. So 20% of 50,000 is 10,000, and now this much money she is going to get. Okay. Whereas HRA is not taxable, so no tax should be paid, no tax in most of the cases. Like if a person is not paying like house rent, then the tax will be imposed. So normally we treat no tax for HRA, and for DA it is taxable. Okay, and also basic salary is taxable. Okay. So then after how you will get? So we have to calculate total equal to basic salary plus DA, and if it is basic plus DA is greater than 20,000, if total is greater than 20,000, total is greater than or equal to, let me check the question again. Uh, okay, if exceeds 20,000. So if greater than 20,000, then to the additional amount, how much 15% tax will be imposed. Okay. So here how much we can get? Total equal to 50 plus 20, that is 20,000, right? So it is exactly 20,000, right? So 20,000, it is equal to 20,000. So there will be no tax. So there will be 20,000 and plus HRA. So 20 plus 10 is 80,000 will be the answer. Okay. So let me write the program and show you the output. Okay. So plot basic salary, DA, dearness allowances, HRA, and The tax is 15%, so 15 by 100. Then after total, okay, and even we can okay, grand. Okay. Let me take the input basic salary. Okay, print of enter basic salary of Melina. Okay, so it is float type. Okay, so okay. It is here. I am just printing in a scanf. We have to use, right? A scanf percentile of comma m% basic salary BS. So here we are taking input basic salary. Now we have to calculate DA. Dearness allowances. It is 40%. So 40 by 100 into what basic salary of that, right? Basic 40% of basic salary. Okay. And inside is 20% of basic salary. Sorry, 20% of basic salary. Okay. So we will get like this. Now total total amount we have to check, which is for tax. So on what the tax will be valid for basic salary plus DA. Tax is applicable for those things only if total is greater than how much 20,000. Then what will be there? Greater than 20,000. Then uh, total is greater than 20,000. Then what the things will be done? So we have to take one temporary value, that is t. Okay, it will be better. So we will calculate like okay. Let me make it indentation, proper indentation. So it will be easier. Okay. So t equal to total minus 20,000. Okay. So total minus 20,000, and how much will be applied to that? So grand equal to, in that case, grand equal to 20,000 will be there, right? So 20,000 we are decreasing, so 20,000 will be there. We have to add. Then after what will be? T into tax will be paid to that, right? So T into and tax means what will be the more than 20,000, that will be here. Stored will be T, stored to the T, and that T into tax, right? That tax amount will be there. So that is actually not a plus. Okay, so let me calculate like that T into tax. So that percent of tax, but what again we will have? So we have T, that T amount will be there minus. I hope you got it. So T is like there is 90,000. So 90,000 minus 20,000, 20,000. So 20,000 will be that money and minus that tax. What will be tax applicable for that? Okay. And the 20,000 will be there itself. Okay. Plus what will be there? We have to HRA. HRA we have to get, right? So she will get that money. Okay. Okay. That else, if that is not the case, what will be there? Then grand will be how much? Grand will be total plus HRA, right? Got it? So let me execute it and check if there will be any error. We will fix together. No problem. Okay. So let me print the also output. Print of Melina receives in total percentile of comma grand. Okay, so I am running this, and you can see it is asking enter basic salary of Melina. So I am giving it is 50,000. So you can see the output is also 50,000. How the 50,000? Let me check it. It should be something 20,000, right? So where is the error? Okay. So we will check. Okay, DA total greater than 20. If not greater than 20, what will be HRD? Total plus HRD. Okay, something. Let me check it out. Okay. So here we are getting something like 50,000 only. So there is some mistake. How to spot those mistakes? So like let me check DA. What will be DA? Okay. Here. So let me replace grand with DA and see what will be the output. Okay. So 50,000 and DA. So DA is 0, 0. Why 0, 0? Here I am dividing this. Okay. So this is integer division. So 40 by 100 is 0 point something, right? And into BS. So 0 into something is 0, right? So we need what we need? We need some typecast, right? So we need some typecast, right? So here we need something float. Okay. Okay, we will check that. Okay, float. Okay. So let me make it. It will be better. Float. Okay. And something here also. Okay. Okay. B. Okay. And this is 20%, right? 20. And here also in tax also we have to make here. Okay. Float. Okay. Here. Otherwise, 15.0 also we can write something like that. Okay, let me run it and show you. So die is only I am printing here also. Okay. So you can see DA is 20,000. Okay. Something we can also make like this. Okay. So let me make it. Something. Okay. Let me make it. All thing very simple. Okay. So it is 14.0. This is okay. So explicit typecast is required here, right? I hope you will get it. It is explicit typecast. We need it. For, okay. So let me again run it and show you. Is it working or not? Okay. 50,000. Okay. And you can see it is 20,000. Right. We are right. Okay. So now we have to print here grant. GRA and D. Okay. And up to 2 decimal we only want up to paisa. Okay. Okay. So let me give it 50,000. Okay. So in 50,000, how much? 80,000 will get. Okay. So how 80,000? 20 and plus 10, right? This is total amount 20,000. That is taxable amount because this is not greater than BS plus DA is not greater than 20,000. So that's 20,000 and inside of 10,000. Okay. So it is 80,000 she will receive. In case of 1 lakh, what will be the output? Okay. So in case of 1 lakh, so in case of 1 lakh, what will be the DA? DA will be 40,000 and HRA will be 20,000. Right. So 40,000 plus 1 lakh is how much? 1,40,000. And 1,40,000 that is greater than 1,40,000. HRA, sorry, HRA, let me correct it. HRA is 20,000. So 1,40,000 will be there, right? That is taxable. Means now let me check that is taxable amount. But we have to check that amount is greater than 20,000. Yes, that amount is greater than 20,000. How much greater? Means 20,000 will be greater. Okay, 20,000 will be greater. Okay, okay. So on 20,000 there will be how much tax will be paid? How much? So that is 15% tax will be imposed. How much? 16, sorry, 15% tax on the 20,000. So how to calculate that? I hope you are clear with it. How to calculate? So it will be very simply calculate 15 by 100, okay, and into 20,000. So something 10,500 will be there. Tax will be how much? Tax will be, this is we have to pay tax for it. Okay, tax applicable on it, applicable. And how much tax? Tax will be how much? 10,000 some 500. Okay, 10,500 tax will be there. Then what will be the total amount, grand amount? Grand amount will be 20,000. Okay, that is without tax. And then HRA is 20,000 will be that. Okay, HRA. And what will be the next? Next will be again 20,000, that is on which the tax is applicable. 20,000 minus how much? 10,500, right? So this is grand. Then how much that grand is? How much, guys? Calculate it. Take pen and paper and calculate it. Okay. I am waiting for it. Please calculate it and post in comment section and check you are correct or not. 20,000 plus 20,000. Do it as I am telling. Again 20,000. Okay. Minus 10,500. Then it will be something 1,49,500. So grand will be something uh, how much? Grand will be something 1,49,000 some 500, like that. Okay. So let me run the program and show you whether we are correct or not. One lakh. This is 10,000 and this is lakh. So you can see 1,49,500. So this is the solution we are getting. So this is all about this code, and still if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in the comment section. If you have any question, I will be always there to help you out, and even if you have any other question, please ask in comment section. I will provide solution for that. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please stay at home, stay safe, stay tuned with my channel. Happy learning.